The story doesn't end with just data collection. Lots of systems help you collect some data. It's what you do with it that matters. It's your ability to visualize the complete picture that gives it value. The data has to work for you. Farmobile enhances your current relationships. Sharing your data with professionals in the community enhances the services you're already using. Faster equipment repairs, easier government reporting, and a more effective agronomist are all features of the Farmobile solution. It's wireless, real-time reporting that works with nearly every manufacturer and aftermarket sensor. Layer by layer and season after season, Farmobile reveals data that unlocks the full potential of your land. For the first time, you can visualize everything, field by field, acre by acre, funneling millions of data points from multiple machines into one easy-to-use dashboard, creating the richest data set on the market. At the end of the day, it's all about profit, and Farmobile is helping close the performance gap between your average and your maximum potential.
Being able to collect that and then be able to transfer that to our next generation. My nephew's gonna be running the operation someday. He'll have 40 years of experience from us that will be on a computer screen that he can look at and say, look, we saw what you did and we saw what was successful and what wasn't. That's like transferring wisdom almost.
You can actually function the back end of it. You can see yield maps in real time without having to take it to an agronomist and print it out for you. You know, it's just better across the board in I would say every capacity that I need it to be.
Everybody can study it, and when we get back together to make our decisions, you know, we can refer to that data much easier than historically with flipped notebooks out of your grandfather or father's overalls.
We have a mixed fleet and many different operators handling the equipment. So as soon as there's one point of failure by any person at any given time, it starts messing up everything. Last year was the first year we had all of our information for the entire year collected through the puck. And it was nice to finally, for the first time, have all the information that was available to us compressed into one spot. And it's in a spot that's not a drawer, it's a spot that we can't screw up or lose.
We've got a sprayer operator that talks regularly to the agronomist while he's in the field. It brings the field to whoever the expert is, wherever they're at. If you need some additional information or additional guidance, you got that direct information.
We're used to looking at a field in acres, you know, it's an 80-acre field. Now we can look at that field in 30-meter increments, and we have the technology to change populations, or we can change the water rate in that 30-meter resolution, or we can categorize the soil, but we can adapt our practices faster because of that.